students, I welcome you all for your today's class. In today's class, I am going to explain you Unit 2 poem A Poison Tree by William Blake. A short introduction about the poet William Blake. 1757 to 1827 was his period of lifetime. William Blake was a poet, painter and printmaker. He was born in London. His famous poems are The Lamb and the Tiger. Let me recite the full poem, A Poison Tree. I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath did end. I was angry with my foe. I told it not, my wrath did grow. And I watered it in fears, night and morning with my tears. And I sunned it with smiles, and with soft, deceitful wiles. And it grew both day and night, till I bore an apple bright. And my foe beheld it shine, and he knew that it was mine. And into my garden stole, when the night had veiled the pole. In the morning glad I see, my foe outstretched beneath the tree. Yes, the poet sounds little better, because the poet has presented this poem with a regular rhyming scheme, that is AABB. It sounds little rhyming. The rhyming words can be explained to you while the line by line explanation is given. The poet has presented this poem in a 4-lined stanza. Let me give you the explanation of the first stanza. Here is the first stanza of the poetic lines. I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath did end. I was angry with my foe. I told it not, my wrath did grow. The poet has presented two scenarios here. The first one is, the poet is angry with his friend. I refers the poet or the speaker. The speaker or the poet was angry with his friend, and he told about his anger to his friend. And probably his anger comes to an end. The next scenario is, now he is angry with another person who is his enemy. He didn't share his anger with the person so that the issue didn't come to an end, it started to grow. Yes. So in this stanza, whom does I refer to means, I refers to the poet or the speaker. Wrath meaning anger. Foe means enemy. The rhyming words used here are friend and foe grow. Who are the persons the speaker anger with means his friend and his enemy. What emotion is expressed in this stanza is the poet's anger. The poet or the speaker's anger is expressed in these lines. Let me pass on to the second stanza of the poem. And I watered it in fears, night and morning with my tears. And I sunned it with smiles, and with soft, deceitful wiles. Deceitful means cunning. Wiles means tricks. And I watered it in fears. It refers the speaker's anger. The speaker was angry with his friend, isn't it? but he didn't reveal his anger to his enemy. What he did, he watered his anger with tears, and the anger is growing each and every day. He pretended with smiles on seeing his enemy. He avoids his enemy with cunning tricks. So, students, from these two stanzas of the lines, we could understand that we should not allow anger to control our life. We should express our feelings in a healthy way and not bottle them up. Let me explain in the next session how the poet has concluded the poem. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video.